Week 3, session number 3. Goal is to get that flat tummy. Here I am. I came for my third session today. And let me tell you ukuthi there are good news ukuthi nawe ungazithola usethubeni lokuziwinela one of these treatments. The criteria is simply 1, live in and around Durban. 2, be willing to share your flat tummy journey on all across your social media platforms. Hit me up if you are willing to take me on this competition. This is in collaboration with 20th Avenue Body Studio, which is located at the JT Ross Office Park, Kings Park in Umgeni Road. Okay, it's just as simple as that to win. And follow me on all social media platforms, Conversations with Zani Mfeka, Meaningful Conversations with Zani Mfeka, and also follow 20th Body. All you need to do is to tag them on this post. Tell me where am I doing these sessions, and I will select the winner in the next few weeks. First of all, I need 3 people who are going to go for free consultations, and out of those 3 people, one of them might win a 3-month treatment. Woohoo! I'm so excited. When I go for my 4th session, I'm actually going to do the measurements and see how many centimeters have I lost so far, because I can feel my stomach is getting softer and softer. Now I have to start taking collagen so that I can actually help it with the process, because njengoba besirabha, besixova, besigovuza, it's getting softer, and in the process of getting softer, siyathamba siba looser, which means all the clots of fat that are lying underneath the skin are getting burned. Flat tummy, here we come, baby. So how do I feel after my session today? How do I feel? I feel good. Na 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 na. Yes, I feel good. I really feel good. And I'm getting used to the pressure that is being if I were a swing each and every time I come, because you've seen the treatments. I've been going live with it on when I'm doing the treatment, so you've seen those machines exact pressure on your tummy, and it makes the tummy feel lighter. And right now my tummy is shrinking a bit by bit. I'm excited because on Tuesday I'm coming to do the very first measurement, so it will be after the 4th session, and this will be the first measurement. And already ngiyawuzwa umehluko, yawazi umzimba wakho mos. I'm feeling ukuthi khona into eyenziwayo from time to time. I don't know, my eyes are irritated. I'm sorry guys, my eyes are irritated. It's the start of winter, and lokunjani, yeah. Amehlo ami ayahlupha ngabe kuqala iwinter, ayakhala kakhulu, I'm sinusic. So yeah, I feel good. The stomach is feeling a little bit sore. Is it sore? Not sore, tender like, because of the pressure that is exerted mangabe mangabe wenza ama-sessions lawo. So that's the kind of feeling I have right now. Iyachamisa. You pee a lot, you tend to pee a lot, and vele kufanele uphuze amanzi. Amafutha kuthiwa ancibilika through ancibilika inside, imishini incibilisa amafutha, and as amafutha akho encibilika, you must make sure ukuthi you are drinking enough water so that your body can be dehydrated. You do minimal exercises. Mina-ke vele I'm an active person. I'm always working around the house. Loko nje kukodwa kuyi-exercise. And ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wasengadini. I clean my own garden, so it helps a lot. Ngivele nje ngibuka igceke lami ngithi let me clean my garden. So yeah, minus exercise done. Competition is coming up. I posted a video yesterday about the competition. If you would like to win yourself a session, therapy sessions that I am doing to flatten your tummy, go and look for the video where I am telling you about the competition. I gave the details for the competition. The criteria is coming through as soon as we finalize the details. But obviously, you have to be somebody who's active on social media, because we expect you to post the journey, and we want you to be somebody ongekho shy ngesisu sakhe. Asisiboni isisu sakho mos sehla, asiwuboni umehluko owenzeka as you attend ama-therapy sessions. Yeah, and this is a brand new page on TikTok, 28_body. Please follow that page. More details about the competition are going to be up there as well. And let me just say for now, more nice things are coming. More nice things are coming. So just follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, follow 28 Body on Facebook, follow 28 Body on TikTok, follow 28 Body on Instagram, and do not forget to go and like, subscribe, share to our YouTube podcast. And we are in partnership with 28 Body on this flat tummy journey. I am doing my lives during each session, so this should give you, noma ngabe uyigwala ufana nami, it should give you an indication to know, man, ayikho buhlungu lento. And on top of ingekho buhlungu, it's I involve in mbese. It's non-surgical, non-invasive. So you should be just fine. You'll be fine. Yeah, trust me. Ngigwala lokuzalwa. Ukuba bebuhlungu ngabe sengishilo. Ngabe sengimxoxeleni ukuthi go at your own risk. Kubuhlungu kuyanyiwa kodwa cha hayi shem. It's just pressure. You can feel ukuthi khona into eyenziwayo emzimbeni wakho as usually. It's just pressure. Your stomach will get a little bit sore after you've done it. Because mina ngi-light skin, and isikhumba sami very sensitive. Ngisala nginama red patches all around after I've done the surgery, but that's because of the pressure that is exerted mangabe besuke bekugovuza beyigovuza le mikhaba yethu. Uzophela kodwa umkhaba wona what uzophela. Follow me. Stay tuned as I embark on this journey. It's a very interesting journey. I am excited to see the results on Tuesday, and I am excited to see the results in the next month, in the next 2 months, and I am excited to finally have that flat tummy. I'm gonna have that flat tummy on the 3rd month and on the 12th session. God, I get to know, does it work? Does it not work? Is it true? Is it real? Ukuthi ngempela singayisusa imkhaba ngaphandle ukuthi siyosikwa? Stay tuned. Wena nje yenze njalo, cofa nje wena usubscribe, cofa nje wena ufollowishe, cofa nje wena ufollowishe 28_body. Yes, I tag them each and every time I post about my sessions. So if you can't find them, just look into the tags that I have mentioned, the people that I've mentioned, they will be there. So that's it from me for today. Let us talk again. I will update you on Tuesday. How many centimeters have I lost? I'm excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it.